Hi everyone, my name is Sam. On this channel, we'll learn how to make craft, which is mostly friendship bracelets and crochet. Today, we're going to be making a reverse chevron friendship bracelet, and I'm going to show you how to do a little bit of a start. So we're going to use the orange string, and we're going to make a backward forward knot over 4 strings on the left. So backward, and we're going to make the forward knot. Then we'll take the green string and make another backward forward knot over the remaining 3 cream colored strings. Now we're going to make forward knots with the cream colored strings, just the forward knot. Now this is what we do for the left side. For the right side, we're going to make exactly the opposite. So instead of doing a backward forward knot, we're going to make a forward backward knot, and instead of doing a forward knot, we're going to make a backward knot. We're going to take the 2 orange strings in the middle, and we're going to make a forward knot. Then we're going to keep making a forward knot until when we reach the end with that same string. That is, we're going to make 5 forward knots. Now we're going to go back and pick up the other orange string and make 4 backward knots on the strings on the left. The strings on the left. 4 backward knots. Now just to remind you that this is a reverse chevron. I have a tutorial for a chevron. I'll leave it in the description below. If you're not used to that one, this might be a little tad bit complicated. Simple, but complicated for you. Maybe you should check out that video first, then come back to this one. And now I'm going to pick up the 2 green strings in the middle. We're going to make a forward knot with the one on the left. And we're going to keep doing that. We're going to keep making forward knots until when we reach the orange string again. Now we're going to take the green string and we're going to make backward knots on the rest on the 4 remaining strings. When we reach the orange string, start all over again. Now we're going to start with the cream colored strings. We're going to do the same thing we've done twice already. Take the string from the middle, pick the one from the left and make 5 forward knots. When you finally reach the green string, take the one on the right and make 4 backward knots. That's it. Now I'll do it one more time to show you. Okay, this should be all for today's tutorial. I'm just going to speed up the remaining parts. I didn't put the picture of the final product because, well, by the time I finish this video, I hadn't finished the project yet. So the picture in the thumbnail is the product, how it looks like when I'm done. Hi, I forgot to mention, don't pull your knots too tight and don't pull them too loose. Just make sure they're just right. And we're done with today's tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe and click the notification button, and please remember to leave a comment. Thank you.